Hi, Scott. How are you today?
Hi, Lizzie. I'm very well, thanks. And you?
I'm good. May I ask you some questions?
Why not?
Where will you go on holiday?
Oh, I'm going to Tamao Mountain Zoo. You know, it's a very beautiful place in Cambodia.
Interesting. So where is Tamao Mountain Zoo?
Oh, my God. You don't know it. Actually, it's in Takeo province, and it's about 50 kilometers from Phnom Penh, and it's a national road too.
What can you do and see there?
There are a lot of things to do and see there. Firstly, we can see a lot of animals such as elephants, tigers, lions, goats, crocodiles, monkeys, wolves, snakes, bears, buffaloes, deers, rabbits, birds and other animals. Secondly, we can see the great view of trees and mountains. So we can take some photos or relax under the trees there. Finally, we can try the delicious local food such as roasted chickens, frogs, fish, and we can try a special drink there, palm juice.
It sounds interesting and I want to visit there also. May I go with you?
Yes, of course. I'm so glad that you like it. I welcome you all the time.
You're so kind, but I'm so busy this weekend. Anyway, I promise with you to visit there one day.
Okay, promise is promise. I'll wait and see.
Nice to talk with you, but it's time to go now. Bye.
Have a nice day and enjoy your weekend. Bye.